Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to connect your DELL Inspiron 3530 to an external monitor. So the first thing that you're going to need to do in order to connect your device to your monitor is power your monitor using the power cable. So the first cable that goes into your external monitor is the power cable which goes from your outlet to your monitor in order to just make it active. And then we're going to have to connect our devices using HDMI cable. So grab yourself a two-sided HDMI cable. If your external monitor doesn't support HDMI connection type, then you're going to have to grab an adapter and connect one side of the cable into an adapter, and then the adapter will go into your monitor. However, the other side of the cable will go into HDMI port that is located on the left edge of your laptop right here. So just insert it in here, and the other side goes into your external monitor. And once your devices are connected, you're going to have to either press F8 button on your laptop, or you can also use Windows P combination of keys, and this way you will enable projection menu. Now, to start projecting your laptop's screen to your monitor, you're going to have to select either duplicate or extend or second screen only. Now, the duplicate method will copy the screen of your laptop and show it on your monitor. The extend will make an external monitor basically a second monitor for your laptop, so you'll be able to operate this laptop using both monitors at the same time. Then the second screen only will fade off the image on this laptop and will only display it on the second monitor. And to stop the projection, just select the PC screen only here, and that's basically how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.